Hi, my name's Renee, and I'm a game developer. I have been in the games industry for quite a while. I've always really enjoyed video games. They've been a huge passion my entire life. One thing I didn't know when I was growing up is that I could be a game developer, and I wouldn't have known where to start if I even knew it was a possibility. Pixels and Dreams is intended to not just help people be introduced to video game development, but to also give you the skills and knowledge and tool sets you need to pursue your dreams. My dream, of course, is being a game developer, and I'm so glad to have achieved that and to be maintaining and living that reality. Really, learning that I could make video games completely changed my life. And honestly, it was kind of hard to figure out where to start. So I wanted to make this series to help you. Whether you are young and are still just playing games and don't know if you want to pursue them, or if you're somebody who's looking for a career change, I hope this series will help you. Well, I'll be talking a lot about game development on this series because that's really one of my areas of specialty. I'm also going to be talking about how to succeed following your dreams, whether that's being a game developer or a pro streamer or artist or engineer, whatever you would like to pursue. I hope that you can find some valuable information, some strategies, some techniques to empower yourself, to lift you up and allow you to grab life by its horns.